What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can win a new Bold N1 just by being a part of this channel. Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. I'm having a pretty good day. Now, Bold has sent me a phone, so I want to give a huge shout out to Bold for sending me the Bold N1. They are giving me this device actually to give away to you guys. So gave me a brand new Bold N1, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to win that right now. Now, before that, I want to talk about a few key features. Now, for people that actually want this device, you guys probably know the features, but I just want to run over those again. So the Bold N1 has a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED Infinity display. We have cornering Gorilla Glass 5 on this device. We have a premium glass design with matte black, so we have that on the back of the device as well. So a very, very premium feeling phone. We also have an aluminum chassis around this whole device, and I'm pretty sure you guys have probably seen the unboxing if you're watching this video currently. We also have 16 megapixel Sony IMX499 dual AI cameras with 96 megapixel super zoom to see tiny details in every picture. Also, for a front-facing camera, we have a 13 megapixel Samsung S5KHZ pop-up selfie camera. We do have a MediaTek Helio P70 processor in here, a super 3500 mAh battery with 18-watt ultra quick charge, and we also have wireless charging on this device, which is insane. We have an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is actually pretty fast. I want to go and show you guys that really quick, so let's go ahead and do that. 3, 2, 1. And pretty fast fingerprint sensor, as you guys can see right there. Really awesome stuff to see on a $200 phone. We have high-speed 4G LTE networks on AT&T and T-Mobile. We have Android 9 Pie, and we have 2 years of Android security updates. And this phone's only $199 on Bold's website right now, so if you guys want to go ahead and pick that up, I will leave it in the description down below. If the phone is not $199 anymore, I will leave my affiliate link, and that actually gives a kickback to the channel, so I really would appreciate that. But yeah, guys, if you want to go ahead and win the Bold N1, this is all you have to do. So how do you win this brand new Bold N1? Now, the only thing you have to do is go to my Instagram and follow me. I'm going to be putting your name in a raffle for everyone who follows me on Instagram. So the other 1,600 people that are in here, if you guys are already following me, you guys are already in the raffle. I am going to raffle off a prize, and one of you are going to be a lucky winner. So if you guys want to go ahead and enter to win the new Bold N1, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram. That's literally it. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you guys are entering the contest. There is going to be one lucky winner, so I really hope that somebody that watches this channel wins. And yeah, I'm going to give the winner 48 hours to hit me back up, and if they don't hit me back up, I'm going to go ahead and give it to someone else. So definitely go ahead and follow my Instagram, and if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified about every video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.